Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook egg yolks only. First, ensure your eggs are fresh and cold for easier separation. Gently crack each egg and pass the yolk between the two shell halves, letting the white drip away. You can also use your clean hands to separate them. We'll explore various methods to transform these golden gems into delicious culinary creations. When cooking yolks with gentle heat, like for a crème anglaise or pastry cream, tempering is crucial. Slowly whisk a small amount of hot liquid into your yolks before adding them back to the main pot. This prevents scrambling. Continue cooking over a double boiler, stirring constantly, until the mixture coats the back of a spoon, reaching about 160 degrees Fahrenheit. For a unique texture, try curing egg yolks. Create a bed of equal parts salt and sugar, nestle the yolks in, and cover them completely. Refrigerate for 3 to 7 days until firm. Rinse and dry them before use. Alternatively, gently poach yolks in warm olive oil at about 145 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 minutes for a luscious, runny center. To ensure your cooked egg yolks are always perfect, remember a few key tips. Fresh eggs yield the best flavor and texture. Never apply direct, high heat, as yolks are very delicate and will curdle rapidly, often above 155 degrees Fahrenheit. Always whisk continuously when heating to distribute the warmth evenly and prevent lumps. These practices will help you achieve consistently smooth and delicious results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.